Sounds like a rap cue to me.
Yeah.
This is really fun. So it's going to be a flat scene, and whenever I hear something funny or just something that screams, I need like a rap right now, I'm going to say, sounds like a rap cue to me, and then they are forced to rap. So can I get a suggestion for something you would never want to find in your fridge?
Baby sea turtle.
Baby sea turtle. And clap it up. Sounds like a
Strawberries.
Pick me.
Boss!
What? What? He's not here. I've been in this freezer cage for upwards of 48 hours.
Well, hi, I'm Steve. I'm new at SeaWorld. It's nice to meet you.
I would love to go home with you.
sounds like a rap cue to me. I would love to go home with you.
What? You look at me and you think I'm green, but that's okay, because I got this sheen. People don't like me because I'm slippery, but that's okay, because I'm not slippery. I'm a turtle. I'm a turtle. I'm a little baby sea turtle. What?
Sorry, sea turtle with attitude. I didn't mean to offend you.
You don't know me.
I mean, I could take you home.
Go on.
I have an aquarium and some goldfish, and you could be friends with them.
Whoa. Fish.
But first, you have to do something for me.
Sounds like a rap cue to me, but first you have to do something for me.
Yeah, a sea turtle there, that's what I see. Now you gotta do something for me. If I'm gonna take you home back to my place, then I need you and help the rap race. See, I need a race, I need a gig, and I need you to talk and smoke a cig, and then I can get on America's Got Talent, and that's all I need to fill up my wallet. A talking sea turtle, you would make me so rich, and I could impress everyone.
Oh, so this is about money now.
Absolutely.
I don't know how I come off. I know my flippers are covered in diamond rings.
Sounds like a rap cue to me. I know my
Look at me and you think I'm rich, but I promise I'm not rich.
Yeah, Rich, I didn't think so, because those rings, yeah, they look faux.
Oh,